Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Santa Fe's rear windshield wiper arm. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have a new, compatible wiper arm ready. Working in a well-lit area will ensure you can clearly see all the components. This preparation makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's remove the old wiper arm. Gently lift the arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Locate the small plastic cap at the base of the arm and carefully pry it off with your flathead screwdriver. Use your 10mm socket to loosen the retaining nut. Once loose, gently wiggle and pull the old arm straight off the spline post. Installing the new wiper arm is straightforward. Carefully align the new arm with the splined post, ensuring it points in the correct direction. Push the arm firmly onto the post until it seats completely. Now, tighten the 10mm retaining nut securely, but do not over-tighten. Finally, snap the plastic cap back over the nut to protect it from the elements. With the new arm installed, it is time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper to ensure it moves through its full range of motion without obstruction. Check that the wiper blade makes even contact across the entire glass surface. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Regularly inspect your wiper arm for any signs of wear or damage to maintain optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.